Move.
Hello. Oh god, is that too loud? I hope not. I feel like my audio is completely unbalanced every time I start stream. Wait, if I switch off studio mode, do I just go to the scene that I'm... Oh no, I don't. Okay. It's fine. Hello. I hope everyone is having a good, what day is it? It's Tuesday. I almost forgot. Ever since I started this, trying this new stream schedule, I keep getting confused because I used to only stream on weekends, but I'm trying something during the week because my weekends are kind of a little busier now. So, but I still want to stream. So yeah, Tuesdays, Thursdays. I haven't made it official on the panels yet, or in the Twitch schedule thingy because I'm worried that I'll have to commit. So I'm still, I think I'm going to be testing it out at least for the next maybe week or two, and then see if I can. I mean, I was supposed to go live like at 9, so I was already late today, but at least I streamed. Well, at least I'm streaming. Let me just double check what I have on the agenda today, because I need to make sure that I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna still be working on the shoutout stuff. We're pretty close to finishing the front end. But I need to do some testing with the Twitch API, so yeah. Meto, hello. How are you? How's your Tuesday going? I'm saying Tuesday consciously because I feel like I want to stop saying Tuesday, even though I've said it my whole life, but ever since being on Twitch. Can I get on the Alpha, Beta, Bravo, Charlie for the shout out? Because I am the Alpha, Beta. Of course. You will be among the first. I don't know actually if there will be. I guess I could just send you the link. I haven't deployed it anywhere yet, but yeah, once that's live, you can be the guinea pig. That actually reminds me of a very funny clip. Wait, let me see if I can find this actually. I need to post this on Twitter. So back when Triggerfire was in, well, it kind of still is in beta, but when it was in like, I guess, alpha even, I had a access list, and if you weren't on it and you tried to log in, wait, let me see if I could find it. Jay, hello. Oh, yes. Thank you for the quack in the moo earlier. I was just like pouring my tea and I was like, wait, what is that? You almost kind of scared me. I didn't realize it was so loud. Hopefully it's not too loud for stream. Where is that? Where is that? Is it this? 3 years ago? Okay, so some of you may know Asahi from the community. I will actually be meeting him in San Diego. Him and Seb. Alright, so this was back when Triggerfire was in... Wait, you can't see this actually. I'd happily beta test for you. That would be awesome. Yeah, when it's like in a state to be beta tested, I would love to get some community people in on it. And yes, you kind of made me jump. I was pouring my tea. Thankfully, it didn't go everywhere. But yeah, so okay, let me see if is this turned all the way up?
Is this actually gonna do anything, or is this gonna be like, ha, joke's on you?
So this is him logging into Triggerfire for the very first time.
Son of a fucking bitch!
And I forgot that I didn't actually add him to the access list. That was a genuine mistake on my part. But yeah, it would redirect you to that video. Because of course it would. Like, why wouldn't it? I was very tempted to make it do that on April Fools, except I think that would actually be pretty disruptive, so I'm not going to do that.
Son of a fucking bitch! I hate
Oh,
so much.
Here's my 3 years ago. That's crazy. But yes, I'm doing well. I hope work was good for you, Meta. I don't know if you ended up wearing your tie to work today. I couldn't tell if that was a reference or not. Actually, I think I meant to like that tweet, but then I was like, is this a reference to something that I don't know? So I googled it. I couldn't tell, and I got busy with work again, so I ended up not. Yogurt, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Let me run some shoutouts today. Oh, not today, like now, because this is the thing that we are going to be creating, or not creating. Wait. Oh, that's I's channel. Oh, and Jay, how was the rest of your Madison playthrough yesterday? I actually don't know what that game is about. But I feel like I'm not going to enjoy it because I don't really play horror games, except I want to. Not bad. Continue with school soon. Ah, interesting. Oh, I guess it almost is September. That's right. Are you looking forward to it?
Yes! Iron, I got you, baby.
So cracked at DBD. I booted up DBD for the first time since the new updates the other day.
Yeah. I kept having to push him off me. I was like,
wait,
because otherwise we're gonna be having sex in public.
Oh no, I was super confused because I know Turtle is having his birthday celebration right now, and I was like, is this Turtle's channel? Because he has a Discord call going on right now. But then wait. Okay, no, it is different. I was gonna say, like, this, I was just so confused right there. Crazy. Oh, you switched to Stardew Valley. Okay. Okay, well, that's good. I wasn't, yeah, I was lurking when you were playing. This was the Valorant tournament? Oh, nice. Wait, is that the... Oh, is that the one that Wiggles was hosting? Because I know Meta hosted one. I don't know if it was the same one. I don't know, really. I should play in the Valorant tournament, but I don't know anything about Valorant. So I feel like I'd really be... I don't want to, like, a team to... I don't want to throw. I don't want to join a team and throw. Oh, it's Wiggles and Reskies. Nice, nice. I hope Wiggles gets to do more of them before November. I don't know how realistic that is for him, but yeah. Have I tried Super Base? I have heard of it, but I have not used it, no. Unfortunately not. This could be the project to give it a go in, but I already have my SQL servers, databases set up on my server, so I was probably just going to use that and Prisma. It would probably be the easiest thing. Let me start up the site. So for those who are not up to date on where we got to with the website, this is kind of what it looks like right now. I do need to fix that height thing at some point. Oh, I need the Figma as well. Let me open that in a new tab. Oh, don't want to accidentally reveal work stuff. Not that I'm even signed into the account. All right. We're going to be doing some API testing today, so I'm going to be testing out the Twitch API and getting some clips and seeing if all these filters work the way we want them to, I think. I'm going to probably finish off some of the form validation stuff first, just to clean that up. Make sure that works. Yes. We'll just do form validation for these two right now. This has nothing to do with anything, but I was messing around in Unity yesterday and built a snowman. Nice. Wait. A snowman? Can you send me a screenshot? I'd love to see it. That's so cool that you're messing around in Unity. I feel like I open Unity every couple months to try and make something, and then I never really get anywhere with it because it becomes really overwhelming. I would really love to make a small just game. I really want to make something like Puppet Combo. I don't know if you've played any of their games, but there is very basic sort of PS2 style games. PS2 style graphics. It's very low poly, and it seems pretty simple to make because a lot of it is pretty chunky and just like boxes and stuff. So I think it could be realistic and doable. But yeah, that's what I always think, and then I get started. I will say, like, anything is very overwhelming. So much to do. But video editing was like that before I got so used to it. Yeah, I think certain flows you get used to, like building out a level could probably be pretty doable. Because you kind of get used to where all the different model bits are and like how to manipulate objects and stuff, and you get just sort of proficient at it. But then it's like the other steps, I guess, like then you need to do the logic for like interacting with stuff, which to be fair isn't that difficult. Once you've done one, you've basically done all of them. But yeah, I think the thing that I probably found overwhelming maybe is because I started with the wrong thing. I started with the UI. I probably shouldn't have done that because I wanted to start like at the start of the game, where I would have like the menu and you press start to play or whatever. I should have just, because I did manage to get that to work, and it was a good experience, but yeah, it was just kind of difficult. Well, not difficult, but I don't know, maybe I just burnt myself out on trying to make the menu, and I should have just made the game itself, or like started like making the levels for the game. But maybe I should pick that one back up and continue again. I found like a filter thing that I can put on to make it like give it PS2 graphics and stuff, which was just a godsend. So that might be the play. Okay, let me try and work out how I'm gonna do this. So basically, I started with this form, or I have this form, and right now the only validation is the pattern has to be A. So if I put in A and I press save, you'll see that it's fine. And then if I put in B and I press save, there's an error. But I do need to try and work out why I guess the focus state supersedes it. I wonder if I can make it the error state supersede that. Let me try in config. So we have our, where is it? Input. And then what I do is on the field, if I go disabled, or not disabled, invalid, I can give it a error. So let me take away the border. None. And then add also. Oh, the music is kind of loud. I don't know if it's loud. I'm gonna just turn it down a tiny bit, just in case. Yeah. Right. Order. I think I need a box shadow. Right, I'm just gonna move that over there. I don't want to cover up the chat. Oh, you know what? I need to move this to the bottom. There we go. Look at me being organized. Right. And now, where is the shadow? Border radius? No, I need to. Some of this is being duplicated, so I need to group them together. Where is it? Did I delete it? Var. Oh my god, that scared me. Yogurt, what are you doing to me? I think I deleted it. I can't have deleted it. What? That's crazy. Oh, hang on. Let me check. Not here. In rules, if I do this, let me try and find where this color is. Ridiculously Ben, hello. Thank you for the luck. I super appreciate it. Have a good luck, and thank you for joining in. Let's do this. Box shadow 1 0 0 0 1px var. Okay, there we go. So I need this to be 2 actually. Okay. If that's A, that's okay. If it's B, it does that. Does it look like there's a... No. Yeah, maybe I'm just tripping. It kind of looks like there's a blue, but maybe my eyes are just deceiving me. Not too... hold on. Let me make this blue. See if that changes. It does slightly. I wonder if that's the outline? No. You can see it's kind of... Yeah, look, it's moving. Look at that. I wonder if I need to make that border. Hello? Oh, hang on. This is the wrong border format. UPX solid. I meant this red. Interesting. Okay, I think that's what we want. Let me check if... Oh, maybe I just do border color. Oh no, that's not what I want. Is it outline? Outline none. Okay, I think I'm really just tripping. Yeah, I think it's fine. There we go. Oh no, that is actually not what we want because... Oh no. Let me see. Test. That is actually not what I want. I want that to turn red even when you're focused. Then I need to set border to none. But it's kind of on the outside. That's so weird. Deadman, hello. How are you? How is your week going so far? It's Tuesday. 2 days down. Maybe I make it outline. That's even worse. Oh, so I want it to be border. Oh, started your new job today. Hey, congratulations. That's awesome. What are you doing now, if you don't mind me asking? You don't have to say. So many people I know are starting new jobs. It's really great. Alright, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm actually gonna delete the invalid thing because I think that is it. Hold on. So I do S. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. And then I'm gonna put some error text underneath, I think, and we'll just do that. I wanted to see if I could do the other thing, but never mind. Building bed frames. Hey, nice. Everyone needs beds. Congratulations. Do you still have to wake up? I think from what I remember you saying, you had to wake up pretty early for your previous job. Do you still have to get up around the same time, or how is that? Register command, max length 40. I don't need a certain pattern because they can just type in whatever they want, I think. Yeah, we'll just... Or maybe we say no spaces. Or should we allow spaces? Is there any advantage? To allowing spaces. I guess we don't want spaces because the overlay is gonna use the command to... Yeah, maybe we don't allow spaces. Start at 7 to get up around 6-ish. So a 50-minute. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. Right. That one has spaces. That has space. Oh, it should just trim. I did get this right, didn't I? Let me check. Oh. Single character except... Yeah, that's what I did. Oh, hold on. I think I need to use S. Never mind. Word without spaces rejects. Oh, I need to use this. Okay, I was just missing the plus. Wow. Alright. On blur, hold on. Can I say on blur trim? Validate value. Value is date. Dependencies on blur. Should make it required. On change. Let me see. React hook form trim white space. Set value. Oh. The value. Command E target value trim. Let me see if that works. Sweet. It gets trimmed. I wonder if I should just remove all spaces. Yeah, I actually do because... So I have two options. I could just be like, hey, there's an error with this command because you have spaces. Or I could just automatically remove the spaces. I think that's actually what Triggerfire does at the moment. Maybe we do that. Yeah, I actually think that's better because... And I can leave the thing in there. Maybe I don't even need trim then because I could just do replace... space with nothing. Oh. Need to replace all the spaces. Is there replace all yet? Is that in the spec? It is. I had no idea. Right, let me refresh that and try again. Because I think that was still giving me an error. Okay. Oh. Still an issue. Why? That's weird. Let me go to console. So if I do this, I press save. My command is without spaces, so maybe I don't need the validate thing. Alright, I think we're good. Let me try getting more than 40 characters. Okay. And I think this is 40 characters. Yeah. Alright. That is done. Is required, actually, so I can't even submit now. That's good. What else? This one doesn't need to validation because you can only... I mean, there's not really anything wrong you can do with this. You can select them or you can not select them. It's up to you. So that's fine. Clips will need to be validated, maybe, because we technically already have a max here. So this is 60. Can't go above 60. Can't type in 600. Can I zoom in? Can't type in 600. Oh, I forgot that. I haven't even hooked this up to a form yet. I was like, wait, why is this not going up and down? It's because I haven't even registered the input. So it's stuck at 60. Let me fix that. All right, so number input value 60. What we want to do is remove this and put in, not that. Where is it? Just had it. Where is it? Oh, here. Here. I'll do min 5 because the minimum clip is 5 seconds. I believe. I think it's 5 seconds. I think the max is 60. Although it's not liking us using numbers, which is kind of weird because it's a number input. Wait, this is a number input. Why are you going crazy? Oh, you want me to set that on this maybe? Oh, because of command. I see. So we do this. It's a good point. How do we actually want to structure our input fields? I think what we need to do is create a structure that matches our thingamabob. So I have general. I can do general command. I can do clips. Because I think it would be ill-advised to put everything in one place. So maybe we don't do that. Command, general command. Oh, we don't want this. We want clips. Duration, max duration. And then what I can do is I can say, hey, max duration. Yeah. Number. Is invalid. Why is this undefined? Possibly. Oh, because we may not have any errors. Still complaining. Huh. String is not assignable. Leave a string. Oh. You don't want me doing this. Or not? Is it type, maybe? I'm so confused why you don't like that. Do I need these? I don't think I do actually, because we move those to the other thing. Let me check. No, I don't need that. Alright. Why is this not working? I just want this number input. I'm saying register this. I have a minimum, which I wanted to set to 5. A maximum that I wanted to be 60, because that's the length of clips. Type string. Is it because of the value? I can change, I promise. Oh. It is awesome. Deadman is, I met Deadman at Twitch London a few weeks ago. His name's Marco. He's very lovely. And Ian Prenny adopted me because I went on my own. Yeah, they were very, very nice. I met a lot of other people through them as well. And I introduced people to them. Twitch London was really great. I'm really glad I went. I'm hoping to be able to make the one in November again because, not again. I mean, I haven't been to a winter one before. Yeah, it should be good. Oh, is it the on change? I think I worked it out. There we go. I put it on the wrong fields. Of course I did. Did I delete anything from this? Let me just undo everything. I can check. No, I didn't think I did. Oh, I just set the value to 60. Okay. Right. So let's do that. Why can you go below 0 though? Because I set the minimum to 4. Do I need to set the min here again? Yes, okay. Tico. Thank you for the follow. How are you doing? How did you find the stream, if you don't mind me asking? Alright, we did that. I've set the validation here. I'm not going to say required is true because I know this is always going to be filled in. Or should I say required is true? No, I don't need to. I'm doing good. How are you? I'm doing very well, thank you. Thank you for asking. It's a lovely, more temperate week here in the UK. It's not no more heat wave, thankfully. So yeah, streaming is a bit more bearable now, and I'm not melting into a literal puddle. We're just working on our shoutout tool. So right now I'm just doing the form validation. These different bits. We just did the command one, so you can't put in spaces because you need to put in a space for the name, so it just strips out the spaces. You blur that way when we save. Oh, I need to actually fix that. It should not be there. We put the command in our general now, so yeah. I was searching for the most interesting software streams with cool music and you came up. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm listening to... What am I listening to? Oh, I'm going to butcher his name. I don't want to say it because I know I'm going to mess it up. But this guy does... I'll put the link in chat. I listen to a lot of his music. I listen to quite a lot of like EDM, progressive deep house music for programming, just because, I don't know. It's like the best focus music for me. It got me through my dissertation, so it has a very warm place in my heart. Yeah, I'm glad you enjoy it. I just usually zone out to it. It's really nice. Okay, so then I can't go above 60 seconds. And if I try to type in something ridiculous, it's going to bring me down to 60. So I think this is okay. What I do need to fix is why command is coming up. I think I just need to refresh because it's probably just left over from the previous form. All right, there we go. So we have our general command for this. And our clips. Oh no, our clips doesn't have a default. Wait, it's okay. We can set a default. We do default values. General command. We want to say the default command is shoutout, and the default duration for clips is 60 seconds. Let's refresh again. It's chill and cool. Yeah, that's definitely my music, my go-to music for coding. It's either that or future funk. Depends on my mood. Okay. Cool. That's hooked up now. So it defaults to 60. Then we can set it, and then I can submit it. And it says 40. Oh, do we want 40? I guess we want 40 to be a number, right? Okay. And also, I think this needs to be a separate form. I'm not sure why it's submitting everything. Like, I put the save button up here, and it's saving this. Did I wrap the whole thing in a form? I don't think I did. There's the form control. This is the command. Handle submit. Submits. Oh. How do I want to deal with this? So pressing save submits this, which is expected. But then if I change this and press save up here, then that shouldn't save that. I guess I need to make... register multiple forms. Interesting. Okay. Let me think. Maybe I make these separate components then. And I can use a hook in each one. Or I can make multiple hooks, but that might be a little confusing. I think we need to restructure this. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a new component. Oh, we already have accordion settings. Maybe we can hook into that. So last stream I made a component called accordion settings, which basically is this, let me open actually. It's this structure. So we have a title, a subtitle, this panel, and the children inside it. The problem is we pass the children is form we need to put the hook into. So I think we actually need to move all of this logic out. And then we make separate forms. So maybe we do that. Maybe we make a folder called forms. Or capitalize. And then we go general. I don't know if this is the best play though, because it is very simple. Completionist, hello, how are you doing? How's your Tuesday going? Is it worth it? Or do I just make it all one big form? It's Wednesday for you? Oh, I forgot you're in the future. I hope your Wednesday is going well then. I mean, oh, I almost forgot my tea. I want to forget my tea. For you as well, I'm being outnumbered by time travelers. What's it like in the future? Is there anything I should pay attention to? Alright, I'm gonna try it because we only have two technically forms right now. We have the general and we have clips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a form in each one, and then I'm actually gonna rename this to settings. Settings, clips, general, okay. And then in general, we're gonna have, oh, did I not install RC into this? Hello? React component bit RCE? Oh, never mind. You're in the future, man. You're in the future, man. That reminded me of something I read on the internet. People live a few hours ahead when, yeah. Why didn't they? Good question. And the US will always remember. Isn't it easier to make multiple components in the same file for now? It can later be organized whichever way. That is true. Also, hello, Staniel. Welcome to the stream. I mean, yes. Technically, I already have the accordion settings. Really, I just wanted to make the separate files so I could separate the saving functionality, because I could just duplicate the hook, but I may as well just do that now. Since I only have two forms I need to worry about for now. I'm probably not going to work on those yet, the other two yet. So yeah, I think I'll try that now just to see if it works the way I want it to, and then we'll see. So this is general audience settings. I'll just comment this out. I'll move this here. I will import everything I need. And then I will also barrel export all of everything I need in from settings. Now let me re-import this back in. And move the form stuff over there. Use form. Input fields. Okay, so that's, yeah, that makes sense because this is specific to what we defined. Default value for general. Oh, do I even need? Oh, I think I will. Thanks for the welcome. Came here to feel some React nostalgia. What kind of tech are you working with these days? Don't mind me asking. You've transcended React. It seems like, which is probably a good thing. Right. That's in there. Is this still alive? It is. Oh, I didn't save this. Of course. Now we get an error. Oh, because we took out register. Right. Let me move this accordion settings to the other file. Where is that? Clips index. Re-import all of this stuff. X never gets imported correctly for some reason. Really annoying. Don't need this. Save. Okay. This would be clips settings. Wait, where is register? Oh. Need to. Oh, yeah. That's from this form. Let's do that. We'll just copy this over. I'll copy this. Oh my god. Let me, please. Currently completely into Elm. Been doing it for over a year now. Very happy with it. Nice. The only thing I know about Elm is the logo. Because I think the what was it? I was working on a VS Code extension and I was using this Elm language server as a base for the language, the custom language that I was working on. And really that was my only interaction with just like a brief look at the thing. Wait, let me just double check if it's how I remember. Elm logo. Elm programming language. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I remember. It's like a stained glass thing. That's cool. What do you prefer more about it than I guess TypeScript or JavaScript? Probably everything. I know JavaScript at least gets a lot of hate, which I can understand. Clips max duration is a number. This is clips max duration is 60. Right. We have this general. Oh, maybe I don't even bother with the, like, because I always know that this is going to be general. Maybe I don't even bother with the namespace, but I'm just thinking about how I get the data back. No, I think I can get rid of the namespace. I've already separated it. Moving this out.
Move.
There we go. Okay, let me remove all of this stuff now that we don't need it. I do need the login. Delete that. Let me get rid of this. Oh god, I can get rid of all of this. Feels good, man. And all of this. Look at that. Lovely. DJ, hello. Good to see you. How are you doing? Oh, I've missed out on some messages. Oh, read that. You probably know what shows up when you JavaScript the good. I actually don't. Let me Google that here in a second. I do know all the JavaScript memes. Wait, hang on. This is my favorite JavaScript meme. Hits roof of JavaScript. Wait. Oh, slaps roof. I forgot. It's so good. That's probably my favorite. I always go back to this one. There's also a really good video on I don't know if I can't remember the name of it right now, but it might come back to me later. Dotoro, hello, how are you doing? You did message me back, I just saw. I messaged you and then I went live, so I didn't get the notification, but I will check that out after stream. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for the moo and the honk. Much stronger type system. Algebraic data types are amazing. Hard for me to even do TypeScript anymore without hacking those in. Compiler is helpful and is better than any checklist. The compiler says stuff is okay. I normally have no worries about it ever crashing or having weird bugs. Yeah, I guess to me TypeScript is definitely obviously the improvement over JavaScript, but yeah, it's not 100% perfect. And I think the like errors in TypeScript can just be really annoying. So yeah, I don't think I mean I might have a look at it definitely sounds like it's more mathy, which is probably not up my alley. But I'm glad you have transcended the TypeScript realm. Let me give a shout out to DJ, who also streams, and it will also give me a chance to show off the overlay we're working on. So, oh wait, this is Hitman. Nice. And you're just a Santa. What was that clip? Someone just really wanted to see you sock that guy in the face, I guess. Nice. Cult of the Lamb. Yes, DJ's been playing a lot of Cult of the Lamb. I think I actually won the raffle. I haven't like clicked on the thing, but last time I tuned into your stream and you were ending, and it said that I won the raffle. So I guess I have to make my character for your cult if it's not too late to join. Can you set a minimum views on the clip? Yes, I'm so glad you asked. So the settings that we're gonna allow, I can actually show you the design. These are the filters that we are thinking of using right now. So clip duration, obviously, if you don't want like really long clips to play. Recent, so you can set it to find recent clips within the last month, and then popular. Actually, minimum views is an interesting. I hadn't considered that, because then you could set the number of views that it gets instead of like ordering them by the top viewed. I don't know. I guess that could be one, because if you know, like I would know like how many views and a certain clips get. But I feel like that could be a bit more restrictive, because it might be difficult to. Yeah, I think I think ordering by viewed would be better, because then you could do like top 5, and then it would just be the ones that have the most views of that batch, instead of like having to try and work out what the best like view number could be, because someone might not have, their clips might be proportionally, you know, what's the word, I'm trying to figure out the way to say it, but you know what I mean. Like some people's clips just might not get as viewed as much, but like 5 views might be a lot for them or whatever. So yeah, I think that would work. And then we also have relevance, so you can ask it to see if you can find clips of whatever game you're playing at the moment, because that could be, they might have funny moments from the game you're playing. I don't really know how to sell this. I think that would be a good thing. We're actually going to try some of these. Do we have time? We do. Okay, because I want to get this filter, this validation stuff done, and then I'm going to be messing around with the Twitch API and seeing if we can actually get the clips that we want. Hopefully, fingers crossed, please. Clip settings. Yes. So clip duration doesn't go above 60. Amazing. I'm glad you think so. Let me give you a different shout out, because I think the last one was a bit of a write-off.
I think this is the perfect timing.
Also, perfect accent.
Time,
I love the Scottish accent.
You want to know something?
So good.
The perfect time is right now.
Oh no, what are you doing? Please. Not the new screen.
This just in. There are such things as real human birds. Let it be known.
I really want to know the context behind this. I love that the middle emote perfectly captures.
I've been waiting for the perfect time to use that.
Was that like one of the first times you had your new screen? Because I think I've seen you use it once or twice before. That seemed like oh god, where did everything go? 1 second. Everything just decided to disable itself. Thanks, Windows. It was the first time using the new scene and someone said something dumb. Oh, I see. And it's just like, you jumped on it. This is the perfect thing to use the new screen for. Amazing. Right, we're back. Yes. I think we're very close. Okay. Oh no. Oh, hang on. I need to actually add. Okay, so right now when I do save, you can see that we have the command. Oh. Oh, because I didn't refresh. Yeah, give me a second. All right, so when I do, try this again, save, we have the command. If I put in spaces, which you're not supposed to be able to do because obviously it needs to be command space, the person you're shouting out, otherwise it wouldn't really work. Gets rid of spaces. Okay, so now we just need to hook the permissions up to this bit. Should be straightforward, I think. I always say that, and it's not. You just register. It's like the function for registering. Oh, do we want this to be a checkbox group? Oh, we already have a checkbox group. Okay, perfect. I just assign it to this then, I think. Well, I don't. Oh, wait, no, I need... Oh, how do we want to save this? Oh, maybe I just do permissions. Mods. True or false. Yes. I think that would be the way to do it. PIP. Boolean. So, this can be true or false. This can be true or false. Oh, I guess we register it on the individual checkboxes then. The broadcaster one is just a placeholder so that they know that the broadcaster can always activate it. Like, why would you not want the broadcaster to be able to do it? Do you have anything like your startup scene available for others? I like how it shows a visual for the category. I don't have it in like a templatized format. I think there is a widget on the Stream Elements, in the Stream Elements Discord, that shows your current game category, like the box art and the thing. Or maybe I can make you something custom. Who knows? If you have a design in mind, maybe that could be a fun stream project. Or after this. Or maybe during this. Because I've been working on this project for a couple of the last streams, and it has definitely been a bit... I mean, we're doing something different every stream, which is good. But it might be nice to take a break and work on a one-off overlay. But if you want something like just the name and the art, then I think there is a widget in the Stream Elements Discord that is just like a widget that you can just put somewhere on the screen. Yes, it goes there. I don't think I need these, so let me get rid of this. I worked on that overlay so long ago, but yeah. I'm just glad it still works. Do you know my startup just chatting GIFs? I think, is that the ones that like play behind you? I can never tell like what they are. Are they like community submitted images? Or how does that work? I actually have I don't know if you've seen it on my overlay, but wait, do I have a thing about it? But if I'm playing a game Wait. From Mikey, starting soon. I don't want us to play music. Don't play. It's the ones I thought would be fun if the category should have done once in a while. Ah, gotcha. How do you have it set up in OBS at the moment, or is that difficult to describe? I guess it's just like a slideshow, because I don't know if you can throw a browser source into the slideshow. So if you did want to incorporate that into like the cycle, then you would probably need to make a browser source that emulates the slideshow, because then you can slot the thing in. Or maybe there's an OBS plugin that allows you to shuffle between browser sources and images. It's a plugin that randomly plays images. Gotcha. Do you know if it can like take in a browser source as well? Because that would probably be the easiest way, because then you could just make it have that like in the shuffle. I could cheat it and put a browser source on a timer on top of the GIFs. Ah, true. And then you could just have like a blank image, and it would just play on top of the blank image or something. The only thing that worries me about that is if the timer goes slightly out of sync. But maybe it would be okay. This is the version of when I'm playing a game. If it so it does that. Oh, don't play the music. I actually got rid of this screen with the random images because I was using my laptop at the time and it was very intensive. It's the word. But it pulls the video, the trailer from YouTube for the game, and it gets this stuff from Giant Bomb, which is like the video game database, and it just plays like a random section of the video, and it depends on the game because sometimes the trailers like black bars, or whatever. So it is a bit hit or miss, but for the most part, it usually turns out okay. The Destiny one was pretty good. Lots of nice action in the back. Yeah. But then again, I sometimes play games, so it sometimes comes in handy. It depends on the game. Yeah, there's I kind of want to mix it up a bit and maybe redo the design a bit, because I think the text is a bit much sometimes, but yeah. It was fun to work on. Metas. Meta, you're like my hype man. And I love it. Okay, I think, let me try this. No, that didn't work. Let me save. Hey, oh, wait, what? If it's true, it uses itself as the value instead of setting it to true. Interesting. I wonder if, hold on. Missions, mod, true, VIP true. Save. Mod. Wait, no, that's not. how do I signify that this is supposed to be checked and not the value? Oh, wait. Do I need to do on change set E? Wait, let me log the value of E, console log E. Oh. Okay, we got an event. Let me check if I could see checked on this. Please, checked. True. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Let me do set value of this. What is this? Mod. E target checked. And then let me copy this over to here. And I just make this VIP. Alright. Once again, into the fold. Checkboxes normally don't use value, but check true. Yeah. Oh. Right, this is where I set the value. Because this is a group. Oh, maybe we don't use group then. I don't use the value on group. And I just, yeah, I think we don't use that. Oh, but then it's not checked anymore. Hold on, what? True, true. So it should be false, false. Yes. True, false. It's still, it's self is the value. It's so weird. Hold on. Oh, I set the value here. Because... Why did I set the value there? Oh, because of the chakra thing. Let me see if removing that helps. And thank you for the quack. Okay. Now it looks like it's working. Yeah, okay. So the reason why I was using value was because I was using this checkbox group, and I guess it needs to know the value. But now that I'm using this hook form, this form hook even, I don't need to set that. So maybe I don't actually even need this on change. Let me try getting rid of this and see. I think it should just know the value, hopefully. But it's cool that I can specify a custom value. I actually kind of like that flexibility, even though we don't need it right now. Hey, okay. Nice. True, false, false, false. Cool. That's easy. I will leave the checkbox group there so that I can just specify large, and then that applies to both. It's just a bit of a nice shortcut if I want to change any of the styles all at the same time, because it applies all the classes and styles to the group checkboxes within the group. So that's useful. We'll leave. I guess we don't want. We actually want VIP false because we always want the mods to be able to use it, but not the VIPs. Unless you want the VIPs to use it, and that's why we have an option there. If you want the VIPs to be able to shout out. Do we want to be able to let everyone shout out? Or is that a bit too wild? I feel like that, I don't know if it's worth making an option. But then again, I don't think people miss it if there isn't an option there. I'm gonna say we don't. And then if there's demand for it, we can add it. know some channels do that, but those are wild places. I feel like it's difficult because it's like, do I make it an option to be more inclusive and just make it more welcome myself, or am I targeting like 1% of the community that would actually use that? I mean, it's not actually that much more work, but it does mean more space on the database. You could just make them VIPs if you really wanted them to. Some people enjoy chaos. Yeah. We'll circle back to it because you know what, I'll make the fields, and then but I won't hook it up to functionality yet because I'll have to do custom stuff to like when obviously if I click everyone, then like, well, I guess it doesn't have to tick this, but I'm assuming if I click everyone I need to disable these two because oh, you know what, we'll just do it. It's just an extra thing or whatever, I don't know. What do we call it though? Everyone? E? I don't want to write everyone's such a viewer. Everyone's such a long word. All? All might be the way. Is all? I don't know. All? Oh, we same brain. We did all. I like the three character word. It's nicer, but yeah, we'll go all. False. And then we'll make the checkbox for it. Maybe we just say everyone for the actual text. Oh god. Okay, so ticking this will probably mean that the other two checkboxes need to be disabled. Or do we want to disable them? Wait, why is VIP now an array? Oh, because I accidentally made 2 VIP. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that I actually did that. That's pretty cool. If I make two checkboxes with the same name, it will become an array automatically. Very clever. All right. Okay, so what I need to do then in that case, I guess, is I need to be able to set the value for the disabled state on this. Do I put this here? Or do I just put it on the actual checkbox? I think on the actual checkbox. Disabled. Okay, so this is disabled and checked if everyone is ticked. Let me see if I can make a shortcut for that. Permission is all. It's a good variable name for this. I'm just gonna say is all for now. Get. I need to do a get value. Get values. Get values. All. Oh, maybe I don't need to do this. Oh, well, I mean, it is nicer to just run this once and just use this value. Does this change though? I might need to put this in a use memo, I think. Let me check. Disabled if it is all. We'll just do the one for now. Okay, I do need to put that in a use effect. Not use effect, a use memo. I think is use memo right? I guess we'll find out. How can I check if this form state changes though? Or do I use watch? Totes, hello. New glasses. I mean, technically, I guess they are new. I just switched between using my other ones and these ones. But yeah. How's it going? Maybe I put this here. Can I do this? This feels bad. Okay, that didn't actually work anyway, so that's fine. Let me put this back here and see if that worked. Oh. Wait. If in doubt, use effects. This doesn't trigger this. Okay. Going pretty good. Settling in after work. Nice. How was work today? Hope everything was pretty stress-free. React, hook, form, watch. I think I need watch. Is it watch? Watch input value by name. Watch all inputs. Watch multiple inputs. Watch all inputs and have a callback. What would be the best way to do this? Subscription. Ah. So I use watch in a use effect. This seems unnecessary. Can I not just... I have an idea. Why don't I just do this? I'll just make a use state called isAll. I'll call hasAll. That hasAll. Because it technically already happened. Which matches this. Maybe we can actually run this. Oh, actually no, don't worry. And then when I change the value of all, oh, whoops. Then I just set hasAll to be the value of this. So if this is checked, then I have all. And then I do is disabled has all. Cool. So I just need to repeat that for is checked. Oh, but I actually need to set the value. Okay, we can figure that out in a second. Oh my god. No, this is actually now controlled. Oh yeah, this is okay. You know what? We're just gonna get rid of that because now that's controlled by the has all state. So it's not actually part of the form anymore, which means that I actually need to set the value here, which makes 100% sense. So we'll do set value mod true. I should have just done this. I was so close. Oh, hold on. If what seems to actually return the value of the field you're interested in. So, yeah, that might work as well. I think this is probably the easiest thing that I can think of, is that I just set the value of the actual state, then I force the internal form state to be that. So if I do const checked, the target checked, if checked, if not checked, just returned. But if it is checked, because I'm just thinking if I toggle this, see it's untoggling it as well. So I think if what I can do is do this, and then that way, not that. This, oh. That didn't work? Yo. Why not? I'm setting it to... I'm not using this anymore. Oh, wait. No, that's not right. Isn't this setting... Is it because I'm doing 2? Oh, that's not actually disabling it. I see. But it should be ticking it. What is depths? Is this a dependency? Can I make it rely on something else? Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, there is a disabled. I wonder if I can use get value here. I think get values isn't reactive though. Let me check. Okay, I don't think that works. Sag. What was okay? Sorry, delay I was getting. No, it's all good. You're fine. Do not even worry. But yeah, I think let me try the watch. That might be the way to go. Is disabled watch permissions all. Hey, that's what we wanted. Okay. It was a good shout. Thank you. I was thinking that I could, if I set the value, then that should just change the value inside the thing. And then that would be true. I guess that didn't work. I'm not sure why. Let me see. It's... Oh no, these are still controlled by all. Young Custard, hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. My work has a super controlled virtual machine network. I just discovered they didn't disable the Excel developer tag. Wait. Excel developer tag? What does that mean? I know you can do some pretty crazy stuff in Excel. Can you assign an object's property a function for its value? I think so. I don't know. I don't know if I've done that before. Tab. Oh. Right. Oh, the developer tab. Right. Yes. Making like Visual Basic stuff. Interesting. They didn't disable it. Well, that might mean shenanigans. I think. I wonder if I can use default checked for this instead. Or can I do this? Is checked like this? Does this have a value? No. Can I watch itself? This seems bad. I don't think I should do this, but I'm curious. I think it works. This might be a bit hacky. I guess is checked. Watch all. Watch. Yeah, I think that's what I just did. Except I don't know. Yeah, I'm also on the same thing as you. As like, should I do that or not? I kind of don't want to do it, but at the same time, it doesn't look like. I don't know if there's a different way. I don't want to control the isChecked value through here, though. It's the problem. You'll need to pass on change to update its value. I mean, that's technically what this is already doing. Is in JS something like property? Yes. Yeah. I think you can do that. In JS, if I have something like my awesome object. Get date. You can just return date. It is indeed that time. Or you can do the other syntax if you're a bit more old school. Is that what you meant? I mean, the best, I guess, would be to have a custom handler. The register can be overridden, set multiple values from state of there. Maybe. I guess there technically is a way to do a controller. I don't know if that's worth it, for lack of a better word. And no worries. Look at you, Totes, the big dev that you are now. It's so funny that we are that Scribbs never finished his game. I'm still pretty upset about that, to be honest. He's hoping he returns one day to finish it, although he probably won't. Which is fair. Busy, life stuff. Let me think. let me get rid of this. And let me do... I just want to check because I feel like I've missed something. And I want to make sure I didn't. So if I get rid of these and I get rid of this, I say this. So the value of this state is here. It's true. Well, this is disabled. Value true. Is value true equal checked or no? Rip game, sad, I know. Never mind. Global JS stuff does it through prototypes, which is a whole... Yeah. Prototypical... Or prototype? I think it's prototypical. Inheritance. Nonsense. Stuff like that. I don't know. I remember when I first started learning JavaScript, because I came from... What was it called? ActionScript 3. And like the very first thing I was reading about, like I was working on a very basic queue system, and it was just like, oh yeah, we make a class. Was it a class? We make some kind of object, and then we extend its prototype to add the functions, and yeah. Then it was just like, whoa, this is wild. I have to remember typing all of this stuff. Memories. It's come so far and not really anywhere at all in the same amount of time. I mean, it's really just syntactical sugar at the end of the day, but it's still appreciated. Asahi, hello. How are you doing? My game project as well. I would like to up your help on if you find it fun. Still a global object. Yeah. There's like this. The cool thing about programming is that there's like a whole bunch of different ways to achieve the same thing, and it's really just the way that you learn it first, and then the way that you learn to write it in a different, maybe more optimized way later. My thing has always, I think, at least in these streams, has always been to just get it working, as you know, and then optimize later, because otherwise you end up just not writing anything at all. So yeah. How much progress has he made? Good question. We have, I mean, we did the classic refactoring thing, which is where it's like nothing looks like it's been changed, but we made it slightly easier on ourselves. So at least now with the command, there's some validation stuff, so there's no spaces allowed. If you try to enter more than 40 characters and try to save, that it's not being validated right now for some reason. Oh, because of this. But yeah, that will happen. No spaces, which is good. Right now we're just making these separate forms so that we can submit them. And yeah, we will hopefully, I don't know if we'll actually move on to the clip stuff today, so maybe we don't. Maybe we save that for next stream. I actually kind of like that, to be honest, because it gives me a way to plan ahead for like what I'm doing next stream. Oh no, you have no audio. I just explained all of that to you for nothing. Just working on form validation. Yeah. I guess it's time to ban Asai. No. Ghost, hello, how are you? Let me do the shoutouts. So, this is Asahi. This is Ghost. Or should I say Goost?
Oh, well, I'm paying attention.
What just happened?
was so dumb.
I remember Bed Wars.
Incest is fun. Well,
Oh, it's Mary.
That made my day.
Mary's in this clip. I haven't seen Mary for ages. What random ghost shenanigans are we gonna get? Okay. Nice. I'm well, eating tacos. Nice. We love tacos. Or do we love burritos? Tacos or burritos? I guess we live in a world where you don't really have to choose between either, so that's good. I think I prefer burritos overall, but tacos are good. Looks like closed captions are a future goal. Maybe. I mean, I think there's probably an extension for it that I could just add. I don't know if I speak clearly enough for it to work, though. Or do I? I don't know. I feel like I say a lot of nonsense, not properly. So I don't know if it would be helpful. I could just add it and just, at least it's there. Did the mix just run out? It did. Did it? Oh, no. It's just because YouTube's like, hello, are you still watching this? Very rude. You know, I think we're just gonna watch. Let me see if there was any note about watching. Where it's like, this method will watch specified inputs and return their values. It's useful to render input value and for determining. Is there a performance hit? The API will trigger re-render your route. Consider using a callback or the use watch API if you experience. Oh, maybe we use watch then. I mean, we're not. We're only using it in 2 places. Oh, I guess we're using it 6 times. So maybe we do use that. Oh, wait. Maybe I don't use watch. Maybe I just used the original thing that I was doing. Let me experiment. So progress has been made, or my clips are so cringe from that era. I think it's a nice... Oh, you can't hear me anyway. I think they're nice. Burritos are tops, but it's Tuesday and, well, when in Rome. True, it's Taco Tuesday. Would it be a weird thing to have your permission checkboxes have the same name and a value, and then your data would be... Could always restructure that data in the submit handler. Interesting. I think it could be possible. I'm just thinking of the disabling. You know what? Let me do this. Let me see if I can use this use state thing again, and then if that works, I will try the other way, and we'll see which one we prefer, if either of them work, that is. So here on change, I will set E to target checked, and so then I will say is disabled has set. Oh, I didn't actually rename these. Oh, it has all. Set has all. Okay. And then this one was... So the disabled one should work okay because it's just disabled. It's the one... Oh. What? I wonder... Can I put this here? I can. Interesting. Okay. I prefer it being in the register because it feels like it's closer to the data that way. Now I just need to do the check states. Which I feel like is value? Seb, hello. I'm so effing good at customer service. I am so effing good at faking being nice. Thank you, all the old people I helped in over 10 years. Sounds so genuine. Well, I hope when we meet in San Diego, you won't have to fake being nice. Or you can give me the both versions and I can see if I can tell the difference. What the heck? Why? Can I just not set the checked value? Like, that makes sense to me. Set value of this. Oh, is it? Maybe it's the thing I don't know. Why? React hook form checkbox. Set checkbox value. Set value checkbox. Set custom. Oh, that's not what I want. What is it? Checked. This didn't get any replies. Lovely. We love Stack Overflow questions that have no replies. I kind of just want to see an example of the thing to see if it's like... Oh, this is a controlled input. This isn't even... Is this using React? Wait, what? Use form, set value. Set value. Oh, this is... Oh, they're just using this as a... Oh. Ah, wait, what if I do... No. This isn't gonna be right, is it? No. I went from a guy being super mad at us, who I've never talked to before, to ending the call on jokes. Oh. I mean, if anything, that's a testament to your ability to turn conversations around. Hey, N. Forston, hello. How are you doing? Can't you set check to true? You can. I was hoping to... I mean... So, if we check everyone, we want to be able to tick both of these. But then we don't want it to be dependent on everyone. So I could watch that state and then watch itself. But I was hoping there would be a different way. Let's see, if I do has all or watch... oh, this is on the wrong place. Wait, what am I doing? This should be here. Whoops. For this time. What is up? Thank you for the follow. I was a supermarket manager for 10ish years. All people will literally complain about nothing because they're bored. Yeah. I mean... yeah. It's gonna be rough. I was doing the thing on the wrong place. What I wanted to do is here, but this isn't. Oh, this is wrong. No. Let me do this. I'm just going... What is happening? Okay. Let me do this. That didn't work. I don't want to... Alright, we're just gonna do it the other way. I think I may as well get rid of this as well, because, like, why bother? Is disabled. Has all. Has all. All VIP. There we go. We're just gonna stick with this because it's whatever. We're only using watch once as well, so we're fine. I don't think I need this anymore, and I do still need this. Oh, I mean, I'm already using watch, so maybe I just use watch and I just don't bother with the on change. But then I can just declare this once up here. Const has all watch. Oh, wait, it's not working anymore? Please. Oh, this isn't reactive. I need to put this inside of a use effect, don't I? Yes. We're just gonna go the other way because I already had that. Mods can't be VIPs either. True, but this will just be dependent on the other thing. Like, so it could be mods or VIPs, not that they would have to be a mod and a VIP. So it's what's the word? Not additive, the other one. The other thing. I can't remember. Go full hack, get his ref and set checked. Imagine. I don't think we need to even... I'm just going to do this. Yeah, spending too long on this. And this is probably the only form that's going to be here anyway. Well, actually, we have this. But these are all separate, so that's actually fine. I was intrigued by the controller idea, actually. Do we give that a go? Maybe we do. Okay, well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a quick shot and then we'll see. So if I put this checkbox group down here and I say value, we get rid of all of this stuff. And then we give this a value of mod, value of VIP, and a value of all. And then what we do is we import a controller from React form. and then we render it. We render back what we just made. What is this missing? Oh, the control. I don't think this will work, but I'm curious as well, so why not? Wait, what? Oh. Why do I have command here? Oh, no, this is command. I need permissions. There we go. So the value of this will be an array of values, I think. Was an HTML question? We have a name and a value using default HTML submit. I think the term for the checkbox is zero sum. It's checked, it shows up. Doesn't, it's in the if it doesn't exist, it's in the submission. Ah. Interesting. It's absolutely insane to watch. Well, just me going around in circles, trying to solve one tiny thing. Yeah. It happens sometimes. We just have to work through it. Okay, so if I specify these values in here, then they will get ticked. Oh, spelled all wrong. And I think I can set the value of this to be what I want. So if I do, oh, where is it? Fields. That's what I want. So this is where I can manipulate the data. The value should actually be up here in that case, I think, right? Am I? No, actually, default value can be here. Default value will be mod only. This isn't in the right format though, because now it's expecting the stuff to be like this. Okay, so this is the where I'm doing the transformation. So actually, I don't even need to set that because it's already up in the default values up here. So you know what? We'll leave that there so that I can see that. But this is what our end data shape looks like. This is what we would store it in the database as. We need to transform it into this. So yes, we need to just select where these are true, basically. I think. I don't even know anymore, but we're just going to go with it and see what happens. So on value will be we need to do a transformation here. So I have access to value here, I think. Yeah. So this value will be in this shape, and we just need to set do the thing. So I swear we're kind of getting there. Maybe, I don't know yet. Let me just do a quick test. So if this is what my shape looks like. Oh my god, I think am I doing this all for nothing? I don't know. What time is it? It's 11:30. I'm going slightly insane, but we'll figure it out. enhanced result. So our end result wants to be a thing that looks like an array with the things in it. So if I just do like an object entries for value, what does that look like? That's like that. So then I can just do a filter for where the type and val is val, right? Is that right? And then I just map the val, the type, sorry. There we go. So if we have true for VIP, then we end up getting mod nVIP. I think this is a lot of work for nothing, but my curiosity has gotten the better of me, so I'm gonna just full send this. Well, it took it. All this time. Hello. Oh my god, your Twitch stuff. That's so cool. I didn't want to say anything, but I just noticed the badge. I was like, what? I agree, this is cool. I just have it in the back while I'm working. I love being background noise, so I appreciate you using me as background noise. I hope your work is going well. Okay, so I have that set for those two. And then the on change would just be the reverse. So when this changes, you get, I think I get just an array of the things back. So see there, I'm getting like the things I'm taking. I just need to transform it back. I don't know if I'm even solving the original problem anymore. I think I'm just gonna try and do this, and then we'll see if I can use this to be able to set the value of what I want. Forgot JS doesn't have filter map. Oh, is that a Python thing or is that an Elm thing? I feel like I've seen filter map. Oh, I might have actually seen filter map in C#. Programming and testing, nice. It's fun to learn by proxy. I say it in quotations because where in the hell I'm doing this? Well, I mean, not with that attitude. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people, if you're like really interested in wanting to do it, then it's never too late. Because I think if me of all people can somehow pick it up, then I think anyone can do it, honestly. Are React, TypeScript, and Next different system software you're using? Good question. So React is the overall framework. TypeScript is the language, and Next is sort of the I don't know what's the word for it, like a framework within the framework, if that's the right way. Like let me see how they actually describe it, because I don't know. It's a React framework, so yeah, it's like a framework within a framework, which is kind of weird when you think about it, actually, now that I'm actually thinking about it. So JavaScript, there's a really cool Fireship video on TypeScript, by the way. Fireship TypeScript. Oh, Oh yeah, so Fireship is this channel on YouTube that basically make like 100-second videos. If you're interested in like getting the very basic breakdown of a language, I would recommend them because they're really easy to digest.
TypeScript. Validate your JavaScript ahead of time with static.
And also has a really nice voice.
JavaScript is a dynamic language where we can do all kinds of crazy
And his
like
videos are pretty
or
awesome.
methodology.
So yeah, so JavaScript basically, like that little frame showed you, anything goes. You can basically go crazy, and you're not going to have any errors really until runtime. VS Code has gotten a bit better at helping validate JavaScript, like just IntelliSense wise, so it can catch some errors, but a lot of the time when your JavaScript doesn't know what a structure of your data, what the structure of your data is, it can lead to some really weird stuff later down the line. So that's where TypeScript comes in, and that's so that's yeah. I've now fully like all go for TypeScript because it just makes your life way much easier in the end. I'll paste the link in chat if anyone wants to check it out. They probably have an Elm video actually. I should take a look at that. Okay, so on the on change, I get this, and then what I need to do is I need to go back the other direction. So I have this array. I can actually do it down here. Const data. Why does it look so weird? I'm not used to using this theme actually. I'm used to everything being different colors. If I go, I would need to map. Oh no, I need to make an object. Oh, I can reduce this then. So I can do result2 equals console log result2. Also, Seb said some. Oh wait, it's amazing how productive you are when not looking at the screen with Comic Sans on it. Listen, Comic Sans was actually okay. If I were to install it again, I would probably go Comic Sans Mono because there's like a monospace version of it, which is actually really nice. So yeah, maybe I just install that for funsies. Whoops, data. Okay, so reduce. Oh, what am I even doing? Data reduce. The accumulator and the value. So the end goal is to get an object, and then all I need to do is say the value. Oh, interesting. I'm not going to have access to the wait. Change code editor theme. Orion. Oh, I had to say something, didn't I? Isn't it a nice theme? Panda, what the heck? How are you? Thank you so much for the sub. It's been ages. I hope you're well. 14, 15-year-old Seb was pretty good at PHP and C#, mostly used for very legal emulator of the games. I remember actually zero all of that. I mean, it's probably in the back of your head, to be honest. You just need to just get back on the proverbial bike and it'll come back. Did I I hope I uninstalled Hot Dog Stand. I think I should probably add a clause to the thing to override certain requests depending on, like, because it actually did give me a headache last time, and it probably wasn't good. All right, we have changed theme. Thank you. This is actually nice. Chilling. It's been way too long. Yeah, it has. I hope you're well. Mostly just yeah, chilling on Twitch, streaming a bit more now. We're working on this shout out overlay to shout out our friends. There's a proposal to add types to JS. Ah. Do you know how far along they are with that? I imagine that's going to be quite a big update though, because it like does... I mean, if they did it, it would have to be opt-in, I imagine, because it would... Well, I don't know what the logistics are of it, like upgrading existing code bases, because I know some people are just not against TypeScript, they just, you know, haven't had the time to dive into it. You don't have all the keys in your data. Your initial value of reduce has to be the object. Yeah. It's what I just realized after I got to this side, which is fine. So value is gonna be if it's in data, so I can just do data find index of val. If it exists, then it's not going to, it's going to have an index, so it won't be -1. Wait. Mod is not a function. Hello? Something's wrong. This is an array. What did I do wrong? Something's off. Oh, can I not do this? List. Wait. I'm so confused. No idea what the state of the proposal is. It can be found on GitHub and tracked. Oh yeah, I always forget about includes. I don't know why index is my go-to. I think it's just because I've used it more than like for actually getting the index. So it's like the first one that comes to my head. Yes, you're right. Includes does exist. I'm not sure why this was giving me that error. I think... Did I do something? Oh, is it because I can't say... Oh, no. I thought mod was maybe a keyword that I couldn't use. Oh. Oh, I was using find index instead of index of. That's why. Wait, let me just go double check that I'm not going crazy. Okay, yeah, I was using index of instead of find index. Yeah, whoops, my mistake. Find would have been on a an object. Sorry, an array. Also, Uslace, what's up? You bought an index. Oh, like the what do you call it? The VR thing. I would love an index. Sadly, I don't have the space right now for a for such an item, but that would be pretty cool. Includes data includes val. There we go. Are we good? Are we good? Oh god, that was a bit of a trip. Okay, so I think I just do this now. I don't know if any of this was worth it, but you know what? It's okay. It's bringing us nicely up to the end of. Oh god, wrong. Whoops. Need to put this here. Bringing us nicely up to the end of the stream. And I can do the Twitch API stuff next stream. No, what? Oh, I need to actually pass this to the onChange function. So that's what causes the value to be updated. Here we go. Okay, so this is working the same way as before. We basically just did all that to get the same functionality back. But can we now set the checked value in a better way? Because now we have access to the data, so we can actually set... Oh, but we still need to do disabled. Oh, but that might actually be okay. Did you receive Steam Deck yet? Yes, I did. I got it before I went to Amsterdam. I took it to Amsterdam, actually. It was very cool. The first night, I didn't actually use it like the whole trip, but it was very cool. The first night I was in my hotel, and I was just playing Portal in bed with the hotel TV on. It was pretty surreal, because I only got it like a few days before I left, so obviously I had to take it. I'm gonna go to bed. May you have the most blessed day night. Thank you. That's so nice of you. I need sleep. I only got like 5 hours. Oh god. Okay. Yes. Go to sleep, and have a good rest of your night. And thank you for dropping in. I appreciate it. Talk about Valve. Yes. Yeah, I'm enjoying the Steam Deck a lot. I'm actually using it a lot more in the last couple of days. I'd show it if I had it here, but it's in my room right now. I've been playing Batman Arkham Asylum on it, and which, by the way, isn't technically supported on Steam Deck. It has a not supported sign, but I went into the Steam forums, and like people have actually found a way. Like you can configure the Steam Deck to download another version of Proton, which is like the framework that is used to run like Windows games on Linux. And you can just install another version of Proton, like a compatibility version that works with the game. So even though, according to Valve, it's not supported, I basically just had to go onto the desktop mode, install the Proton package, and then go back to the game and set it to use the other version, which I thought was really cool. Like the fact that they give you the flexibility to just install whatever you want and like basically run it however you want. It's not like locked behind an operating like software thing that they've just imposed for no reason. Looking at you, Nintendo. Disable is just another includes all, but I guess checking all needs to set all 3 values in the array. Yes. So I would probably just have to do this here for the checked bit. So it could be this or this. And then I just need the disabled on the this. I wonder if I can. No, I don't think I can. But it's fine. I wonder if I can just do this here though. Is disabled. Should I use is disabled or disabled? I think Chakra recommends using is disabled for some reason. The question is this reactive though? I can't remember. Let me see. It is. I think we did it. I don't know if this is more or less performant, because we kind of just... This looks simpler to me, but maybe this is nicer. Oh, I don't know. It doesn't look nicer. Is it an object? I'm a bit lost at which part uses which structure. Yeah, so the controller basically is used for controlled inputs. Technically, these are technically uncontrolled, I guess, because or are they controlled? I don't really know how React hook form works. I think they choose to use uncontrolled what do you call it? Like the uncontrolled approach. But if you have a custom component that's using, I think most custom like input components go for a controlled approach. So you can use this like wrapper to basically render your custom component and then have the value and on change values what do you call the like transform them to the data, which is really helpful. Remember, you're writing for humans. I am technically just writing for myself. I wish I knew how to better do like performance analysis, like so I could see which one's the better option to go with. I don't know enough about performance testing to be able to do that. I do like this method more overall, I think. But this method is also... Maybe I should just use the other one and just leave this here so I have the option to switch back. Because they really just do the same thing. This one does look nicer. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with this one. I'm going to leave this one here because we got it working and I don't want to just delete it. But I think this one's just cleaner looking overall. Why store permissions in your database as booleans with an array? Yes, I guess so. I'm just trying to think. I am using Prisma, so I guess it is an option. I've been used to not having the ability to store arrays in databases, mostly, or without having to do some like JSON parsing or whatever. So maybe that is an option. It's just that we don't really need like what do you call the like it doesn't need to be, it's only 3 things. But then again, I guess it would save space. We haven't got to the database bit yet, so maybe we come back to this when we know when we start like working on the schema, because then we can think about how we want to organize the data. So for now we'll just leave it as is, and then we'll come back to it when we work on the schema. I think we can add that as a note to our, where is that? Notes. Revisit data structure. Form validation. Got to add that. I don't think I need this. Okay. We are 6 minutes away from ending the stream, so that's probably a good place to this. Oh, and the other values actually don't need to be set as true, so that's fine, as long as all is true. All good. Maybe should we switch that back? I don't think we need to. Not yet. Oh, we still have this. Okay, maybe we won't get to the switch stuff next time. I mean, that's okay. I'm not really in a rush. It's kind of just nice to be able to work on this on stream. I don't work on any of this stuff off stream, so everything that you've seen me work on the last couple streams has just been what we've been doing on stream. The only thing I probably will do off stream is just create the actual database, but that's just because that's like on my server. I didn't really want to do that on stream, but even that's just making the actual database. I will be doing the rest of like the connection stuff on stream probably. It could be a good opportunity to try doing a different database, but I don't really I don't really think it's worth learning a new database than to not use it, because I already have databases on my server. I'm gonna hit the hay as well. All right, well, take care. Thank you for dropping in and helping work some stuff out with us. So yeah, I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your night, and I'll catch you soon. Okay. I guess I can actually just where is it? Go to the clips thing and check the thing here. So we have the duration. We have the filters. Okay, filters I think will just be, yeah, we definitely will have to revisit this because I'm not sure if this will be all under the same table, like all the settings will be under one table, or if we'll make separate tables. I guess it makes sense to have one table for all settings, but I don't know. See. So for filters, we have recent. We can say enabled, could be a boolean, and then we can also say, we can give it a custom thing. Months. Why did I type months? I don't know. So each one of these filters will have an enabled key, which is basically if that filter is active. I think the best way to do it. I don't know. Maybe. And then there's one other key. So this doesn't need a key because it can just be enabled or not. Popular will just be viewed. Most viewed? Oh, I'd say top. Yeah, there we go. Top most viewed. And then, yeah, I think that's it. Going back to the question about making separate tables for the different settings, I think it would be more scalable to use one table for all settings for this overlay, because if we eventually expand this out to include other types of overlays, not just shout out overlays, then I think it could be messy if we have multiple tables for like one group of settings. So I'm sure Prisma will be fine with us using one table. We'll be fine. Okay. I'm thinking maybe I do make this a thing. Scalability. Classic. The haunting word, scalability. Okay, you know what? Oh, well, it just hit 12, but I want to go another 10 or so minutes to bring it up to as close to 3 hours as we can get, because I did start a bit late today. I'm gonna see if I can. I should really commit. I've not committed any of this anywhere yet, which is pretty bad of me. Maybe I should just do this whole thing without committing. Live life on the edge, you know? What if I just do the change now? So we make this an yeah. Right. Let's do a type permission. Wait, I don't know if I've used enough TypeScript to know this, so I'm just gonna try it. Permissions will be an array of permission. So instead of this, we have permissions. We have mod, which is, so that would be, this is the equivalent of this being like this. And then instead of all of this, sorry. Oh, I actually know this song. This is from a different mix. It's so weird hearing it like not in this mix. Or sorry, in this mix and not playing from the other mix. Random thought. I want this to be the value. We'll just make this like this. Value mod. Value VIP. Value all. And then we register here permissions. So now we have permissions instead of doing one key. Use for multiple, yes. Target. Oh. You don't like that. Why not? Default value? What am I missing here? Children. not assignable to checkbox props on change. Oh, maybe I need to make this a controlled input. So do I need to use what I did down here? Except it'd be slightly nicer. Let me think. What am I missing? Change is not compatible. Change handler. Oh, string or number. They shouldn't be. Do I need to make this? Let me see. No, that's not the case. The on change. Oh. It's because the on change handler on this is this type. So for instance, if I made this type the same thing, does that go away? No, it doesn't. I'm so confused. Hold on, let me undo this. And then I do this. Value. Mod. So that is what we want, but for some reason this isn't letting us do that. Why not? Missions. Maybe I need to make this a controlled input again. I think it would be a little easier. Let's try it. Controller. Crooked UK, what's up? How you doing? Thank you for the follow. I'm going to end in 6 minutes there. Oh. Alright, well, I can go another 5 minutes. We're okay. I want to bring it up to 3 hours because I started late today. But don't worry, I will be going very shortly. I just want to see if this will work. Name, permissions, default. Oh, I don't need the default. Render this. And then I need the field, which destructures to value, name. Oh, I don't need name. I need on change. So the value of this should just be the value. It should just go this permission. And on change should just be on change. So actually, I could just destructure fields and we would be fine. Let's just do that. Okay, it's working. And then... Oh, no, I do need to... Actually... I can say is disabled field value includes all. There we go. So hold on, if instead of rendering this straight away, I go like this, I return this, I go return that, I go const has all, I can be like field value includes all, and then if this has all, then disable it. And also that works. And then I want to do is checked. Do I want to do is checked? Ooh. I could let me try. Or I do this in the on change event. Oh, yeah, I do this on the on-change event. Okay. So in that case, I can't do this. I need access to that. On change E so this would be an array E includes all then it would just be all permissions, I guess. The only downside of this is that, oh, I guess it's not really a downside. Or is it? I don't really need to store any other, like, in the database, I would only have to store all, not mod and VIP. I don't know, maybe we can worry about that another time. Oh no. Now I can't untick them. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't actually do the on change, right? There we go. So now our permissions is an array. We have mod and VIP, or we just have mod, or if I do everyone, we have all three. I almost feel like we just got to be a different way to do this, because now I feel like we don't even need to store all. Like, oh, we don't need to store these other two if we already have all, you know? Maybe we just store all three. Alright, well, I'll leave a note and we'll just look at that next time. Notes. Form validation. Check if we can store only or all. That doesn't really make sense as a note, but it will be enough for me to know. Alright, I think we're gonna call it there in that case. Thank you everyone for hanging out. I'm glad I got some stuff done today, which is good. Kim, hello. You caught me at the tail end of the stream today, but all good. I hope you're well, and yeah, thanks for hopping in and saying hello. Oh, YouTube pausing. Thank you. Tenma, also good to see you. Hope you're all well as well. Been here for about 15. Wanted to say hi before you got off. So kind of you. Well, you caught me at a good time. Because well, we did figure some stuff out. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with today's stream. We didn't get too stuck, as can sometimes happen. It's all part of the whatever. Thanks for Triggerfire. Thank you for using it. Yeah. Let me see who is on. You know, Ghost is on. He was in here earlier. Say hi to Ghost. He's doing Cult of the Lamb stuff. I don't know if I'm in the cult. I'll be very offended if I'm not. But we'll see. Meta, thank you again for being in the stream and just being generally very awesome. I appreciate you. Thank you. Totes, Tenmar, Kim, Seb, if you're still here. I think Asahi's probably still at work. Staniel went to sleep. Panda, Useless, Yogurt. Who else? Completionist. And for this time, probably still working. Take care, and I will catch you. Oh, I need to do the raid thing. Oh, I actually have a raid message this time. I've set a command off stream. Now that I remembered. Thanks for answering my question. It's tough to figure out. Yeah, no worries. Anytime you have questions, feel free to ask here or on stream or whatever, or off stream. I am here for you. All right. Peace out, and I will catch you again on Thursday. I'll be back on Thursday. All right. Bye.